Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to generate text with Google AI Studio in 2026. Whether you want to write articles, emails, social media posts, or creative content, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account, and once you're on the dashboard, click New Prompt or Create Prompt to start a new session. Next, choose the AI model you want to use. If multiple models are available, select the one that best matches your task, or simply use the default option to get started. Now type your prompt into the text box. Be as clear and specific as possible. For example, describe the type of content you want, the tone, the length, and any important details you want the AI to include. Next, click the Run or Generate button and wait a few moments while Google AI Studio creates the response. Review the generated text carefully. If you'd like to improve the result, edit your prompt by adding more details or changing the instructions, then generate another response. You can repeat this process until you're satisfied with the output. Testing different prompts is one of the best ways to get more accurate and useful results. Finally, copy the generated text and use it in your project, or save your prompt if you plan to use it again in the future. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to generate text with Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.